Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another video. So happy full moon. I hope you guys are having a great day. Ooh. Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. Happy full moon. We got our little cauldron burning and it's gonna be time to work some vampire magic. So without further ado, let's get into this ritual. Give my wand a nice little smudge. Sending some beautiful cleansing vibes your guys' way. Blessings to you, earth, air, fire, water, spirit. Bless, clear, cleanse these mother sentient beings in your loving embrace. So mote it be. We got the cleansing vibes going, guys. Let's go ahead and cast ourselves our circle. To Nyx's grows full moon energy into my wand. Bless my path, so mote it be. Earth, air, fire, water, spirit. Sacred elements of Nyx's creation be present with me. I cast a protective circle around me in this time and space. Element of earth, I call you forth. Earth Mother Gia, beautiful cleansing elements of you. Bless our path and enter our circle. Bless it be. Element of air, bring forth the sacred winds from Nyx's groves to bless our path within her loving embrace. Heavenly fire, be present with us. Enhance the energy of our space to that heavenly state and cleanse our path as we create our magic. Bless it be. Element of water, bless our path from God's heavens. May his sacred water come onto us to unleash our magic and creativity. Element of spirit, be present within our circle to bring us that divine serenity within all of us. May God and all the ascended masters be present with us and help us work our sacred magic on this full moon night. So mote it be. So merry meet, guys. Welcome back to another magical full moon video. We're going to get started into this beautiful spell from Goddess Nyx. We got the whole ritual channeled and created, guys. So the name of this ritual is becoming your inner priestess, unlocking that divine magic within you. Getting in touch with your divinity and your roots again is definitely what I guess the collective you guys who are watching need right now. So without further ado, let's get into this beautiful video. So to the stars, to the skies, I now open my eyes. I choose to see all the beauty around me. Nyx, goddess of the starry night, unlock my divine eyes to see the truth in all that I do. With these eyes of mine, shine bright like the divine. My inner priestess is unlocked and ready to play, so mote it be. And the spell's going to be in the comment section down below for you guys to follow along with and do on your own time as well. So starting off with the element of spirit, with my third eye, I see you. I welcome you with open arms to surround me with all the divine love that is always present around me. Through your divine bliss, purifying element of water, wash me, cleanse and clear with this beautiful aspect of Nyx. May my priestess self feel at home and welcome once more. To the divine fires that be, awaken my ancient magic within me. I see all of the beauty that I have worked, enjoying the company of the most ascended ancestors I have, working this divine fire to respark my magic and inner priestess within me. By the full moon's light, air is present with me. Charge me with your divinity, sacred power from Nyx to me. Unleash your divine beauty into everything I create. To the earth's core and all of its roots, all that you are, divine magic from the beginning, I happily remember you, and may this remembrance of our magic unlock any last blockages to my divine power within me. So mote it be. So that is the cute little ritual, becoming your inner priestess from Goddess Nyx to me, guys. To you, beautiful channeled messages. So that's our little vampire full moon ritual for this full moon. It's also a great time, guys, for you to go ahead and make your moon water, to go ahead and create some sacred water that you can use to anoint yourself in your ritual work and cleanse your space. Put it in a little spray bottle and smudge your space daily along your practice and altar. So I hope you guys are going to have a beautiful full moon. I'm so excited for this magical month of the witch, wizards, and all beings of magic. It's All Hallows Eve month, guys. I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated. And thank you to the Archangels. Thank you to Archangel Michael, Uriel, Gabriel, Raphael, Metron, and thank you to the element of earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. I open my circle. I release you. We thank you for all that you do. Blessed be. Until next time, merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. Blessed be.